for a little guy. What are you? Top coat? Base coat. Perfect. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, and welcome if you are new. This is my kitchen table. This is wonderful midday lighting, and this is the new nail polish that I'm going to be trying out today. I'm hoping it's good. Came from Amazon. Looks really cute. It's the, what do you say, Maychao? Maychao? Yeah. Let me show you the color. I already cut it open so I can open it for, oh. This is bright blue. Well, this is, okay, I thought it was gonna have like the color on the top like sometimes the gel polishes do. This does not, but that's okay. That's okay. Let me see. Oh my god. Like, this is the cutest, prettiest looking periwinkle I have seen in a long time. So, I had to get it. I think it was like $7 or $8 on Amazon, give or take. But I'm gonna go wash my hands, get them ready. My nails are pretty much ready. Just have to wash them one last time, and then we're gonna get started. I'm gonna come in with my Modelones. How do you pronounce that? I mean, I know everybody pronounces things totally different, and that's totally cool. But I'm gonna come in with this base coat, top coat, and then the oil. And this cutie patootie is gonna go on in between. So let me wash my hands real quick. Okie dokie artichokey. Then I'm gonna come in with my gloves. I like to put these on just to help protect my hands, putting them under the light. As often as I do, usually every couple weeks is when I redo my polish. Everybody might be a little bit different. That's okay. Let me start with my base coat, and then we'll get to the star of the show here. There we go. And with this, I'll also come in and just do the little caps. So like the tippity tip top, wipe off as much. Tops real quick. I feel like it's easier to come in and do this part. If I could keep it in frame. I feel like it's easier to come in and do the ends before you actually do the rest of the nail. Because then if I have any like bumps or smudges or anything weird that I do to the ends, when I come back in, it'll fix itself. So, let's get this going. Alright, I think we're looking good here. That's enough for the top coat here. So then I'll bring in my light. I put it on 60 seconds, and we're gonna leave it in there. Ooh, okie dokie. And since this is a newer polish, I think I put these on the, anyway, I'm gonna come in with this. I'm gonna see if I can just do one hand first and then move on to the next hand. I'm not quite sure how it's gonna apply, if we do the thin coats, if we can just do one thick coat, how everything's gonna go. So let's come in with our bright blue. That looks pretty periwinkle to me. Look at that. I am loving that. Oh my gosh. And then come in and wipe it all off. I think I wiped off a lot. Is there an extra little hair on there? Oh, there is. Oh man. I guess I'll have to come in and trim that later. Oh, are you gone? Nope, it's still there. Dang it. That's okay. Come in with just enough on the one side, and let's try and do a thin coat. Ooh. Very pretty. Oh, I'm getting it everywhere. That's okay. That little hair is going to drive me bananas. Okay, I put it too far onto my cuticle and then I just tried to wipe it off from my cuticle with the same brush that had too much on there and I just made a big mess, but that's on me. Let's continue on. I mean, it's thin, but I think it's pretty good. I'm putting on a thin coat, but it's not sheer, it is the opaque. Okay. There's this tiny little, like, you probably can't even see it. There's the tiniest little hair on the brush. That's like one hair that was too long that they didn't cut off. And it's bugging me. I mean, I suppose it's still okay, but it's not too terrible. Okay. First coat. Oh, what have I done there? Did I do? Yeah, I guess I did. Did I wipe it off? Oh, or me. What have I done? I think I either wiped it off or just didn't get this side. Okay, wipe off any excess. Oh, made a little dent right there. Oh, little hair. You're gonna bother me. I'm gonna have to come in with my tiny little eyebrow tweezer, scissors, slice it off, yank it off, what have you. Okay, so now that I'm done with the first coat, I'm gonna come back in actually just a smidge. Check, make sure everybody's looking okay. This one right here in the middle, we're looking a little odd, so I'm gonna come in, add some, and drag it. Okay, and then I'm gonna let it settle. This one here is a little bubbly. Middle, we're looking good. Oh, let me come in. I'm missing like the corner. Just go back through, check that everybody's okie dokie, everything's all right. We're not missing anything too major. And Pinky is just doing its best. Oh. All right, so then I'll take this, screw the lid back on about halfway because I'm still gonna come in, see if I need to do a second coat on this hand and then do this hand as well. But so far everything looks okie dokie, like we're looking good. I let it sit for a couple seconds just to make sure everybody's looking good. Any color can, like, what do you call it, like even itself out a little bit. Once everything's all evened out, smoothed over, settled down, we'll put it in the nail light, 60 seconds. You can just pop it in for mine, but I like to push the button just in case I move my hand and I'm not paying attention, because yeah, I don't trust me. You never know. Okie doke. Ooh, we're looking nice. Do I need a second coat? Because not always do you need a second coat, but let me just see how it's gonna look with a second coat. Let me just come in, because I can't see anything under it, and I'll usually do that if there's any imperfections, but they look okie dokie right now. But I'll still come in, coat number 2. That little hair is gonna drive me bonkers. Oh, bananas. Bonkers bananas. Oh, okay. She's beautiful. Do we look the same as what we are in the jar? Yeah. It's still so freaking cute. Diggity dang. Hot diggity dang. Okay. And, oh, I put it all the way back on. That's okay. Coming in with my top coat, also from Model Ones. Oh, Lord. Well, we're all spent. Oh, no. Okay. Usually, I try and loosen these before I get started. I guess I forgot. And then same thing with the top coat. I'm going to come in, and I think they call it, like, you put a cap on the nail. So I'm just doing the tippity top on all of them. Just a smidge on the end of the nail. On all of them. That's going to drip off. All of them. And then, I feel like these slide down. Ooh, don't do that. Then I'll come back in and get this all back up and going. And top coat. Ooh, that's always a lot. What is happening? That's weird. Either, well, my top, it's not either, but my top coat is not getting along with this polish at all. What is, well, it's weird. It's like, you know, when you put water and oil, that's kind of what we're doing. What's happening? It looks like really bubbly. Are you gonna even yourself out if I just like leave you alone? I'm a little nervous now. Okay. Yeah. I don't think I'm gonna be able to catch this on video, but it's weird. And I don't think I would have seen it had I not had the light coming from where it is and the skylights. That's weird. Huh. They seem to be evening out though. Okay. Weird. Has me worried. Can you... I'll have to check when I edit this to see if I can see it on video. That's so weird. It's doing kind of like the thing when you... What is that stuff called? The gel polish removal polish that you can buy. And it like starts to bubble after like 5 minutes. That's kind of what it looks like initially. And then it goes away. Like it evens itself out. That's kind of weird. Okay though, I guess. We can, it's a, alright. And then screw this halfway on. Okay, so these look normal. A little bubbly. Very bubbly. So I'm gonna wait like 30 seconds for these to like even out, because now I'm worried. Are you okay? Are you gonna be okay? Goodness. What do you not... Okay, it's been a few seconds. I'm gonna put this under the lamp for about 60 or more seconds. And hopefully no bad reaction happens. I'm nervous, but I've already come this far, so let's see what happens. Please don't hurt. Okay, so far so good. Oh, let me, 60 seconds. Let's see how this goes. I mean, it doesn't hurt, but is 60 seconds gonna be enough? You look nice, but are you okay? I'm a little nervous. Everything looks good. I'm like reflecting in the light. We're smooth, we're soft, but oh, yeah. Okay. Huh. All right. And don't worry about this little fella right here. Later on when I get in the shower, I just wait for my cuticles to get wet, and then that comes right off. Any excess you have around your nails comes right off. But let's go to the other nail, huh? Yeah, let's do this. Other side nail, other hand, let's do this. Okay, so now here's the thing. All the same all the same polish, but oh, let me face it so you can see it, so I can see it, so you can see it's seen. Okay, both of these are the same polish. This is 1 coat. This is 2 coat. Cute. The thing is though, we're looking good overall on both. I mean, I'm trying to do like a little light looky-loo, and they both look really not, like, I have no, other than that little stray hair in this fella, I don't really have any notes or anything on this. This is really cute. Oh, what, I gotta look this up, and I gotta figure out why this has some kind of reaction, or this has some kind, like, these react not good. And then it takes like 30 seconds for all the bubbling, like not bubbling, but like dimpling, I guess, because it's not like bubbles, it's dimpling. Yeah, it looks weird, but I'll look that up. If you know, comment down below so I can also learn quicker than it's gonna take me to look things up. But that's it. That's the whole video. These are my cutie patootie periwinkle nails. I'm absolutely in love with them. Look at these. Look at them. They're so cute. And they're bright. I'm really liking this. Anywho, thanks for hanging out. If you like this video, I'm going to add this to my nail playlist. You can go watch other nail videos. And I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.